Hi you all, welcome. Are you curious about the type of yarn that comes in the Mary Maxim Crochet Kit Clubs of the Month? Well, we're actually going to talk about October 2020 right here. Hi, my name is Sheila and I am the Crochet Nurse, and on this channel you'll find all things about crochet, but you will also find some health topics sprinkled in because I am a nurse, and some of the things I'll talk about will be pain, stretches, exercise, diet, breast cancer, those types of things. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So let's get to talking about this yarn. So in the October 2020 Mary Maxim Crochet Kit Club of the Month, we received 5 balls of Red Heart Unforgettable yarn. And this colorway that we have in front of us here is it's unforgettable, and the color is in parakeet or parrot. And you can see how lovely this is. I mean, that's mostly what I'll see online when folks are talking about unforgettable. They'll talk about how pretty it is, but really for me that wasn't enough information, because saying it's pretty, it is pretty, but how does it operate? What does it actually, feel like? What does it look like worked up? Or some of the things that I wanted to know about. And so that's why I'm sharing today. So again, this is in the color of parrot. So it has the reds and the blues, and if you dig in, there's some lime greens, and you can see the colors are very, very vibrant all the way through. Okay, this is a size 4 weight yarn. It's 3.5 ounce ball, 270 yards. And it comes in, I'll show you that, it comes in, depending on where you go. If I go to Hirschner's, it's $5.99 per ball, and it comes in 17 different colors. And if I go over to, and it's $5.99. If I go over to Yarnspirations, it comes in, it's 14 different colors, and it's $6.19 per skein. So when I factor this out for the price I averaged between the two, that comes out to $2.25 per 100 yards for this ball of yarn, which is not a bad price. It's really not a bad price. This is 100% acrylic, machine wash, lay flat to dry. It is pretty soft. I mean, it's soft, but it's not slippery, if that makes sense. I mean, it is a Red Heart product. It's not like Super Saver. It's definitely softer than that, and it seems to work up pretty well. It is true to what it says. It recommends here that it says it's a J. 10 is what it recommends for a hook size. However, that is not what I used for this. I actually used a 4 to get this, get what I wanted to work up with that. So, and let me show you what I'm working on. Let's get this over here. And this is how it works up. I'm giving you kind of a close-up view. And look at those colors. Very pretty. Now I will share that I did some color control, and so I did take out some of the red, but you can see, not that much, but I did take out some. The stitch definition using a 4.0 G hook is very nice with this yarn, and the colors just pop. They absolutely just pop. And it is as vibrant as you're seeing it on the screen. This is exactly what it looks like in person too. Very, very pretty. Now, would I buy this again? Yes. But let me chat a second about a few of the downsides of this yarn. I found when working this up, and I'm going to actually flip it over here and open it up so you can see more of the colors there. And you can see just how pretty that is. But what I found when I was working this up, that yes, it glides over my hook very nicely to actually crochet it. And we'll kind of grab here and continue on, and I'll crochet a little bit. But I found that it does not like to frog. And it's only certain colors, like this little tan color that I'm on right here. This one's okay to frog, But the red that's underneath there, you can see how nice that glides over the hook. But this red here that's underneath there, that does not like to frog, and you can see the fuzz that's on there, which is why. So it depends upon the color, which one will frog and which one will not. And I was purposely trying to pull it apart to frog it so I can share that information with you. Simply because that's an important feature, especially if you're new to crochet, and you need to know if it's going to frog or if it's going to give you trouble, right? And we all want to know that anyway. This is a roving style yarn, and you can see that as the tubular nature here. Let me pull out from this other skein here. Let me grab that. There you go. And you can see that. And just look at that color, isn't that pretty? But it is a roving style yarn. But again, it works up really nice. There's not a lot of issues as far as being able to crochet with it. The only problem that I saw and that I've had is with frogging it out. And like I say, I did that on purpose just because I wanted to see how it would frog. So if you're new to crochet, this is certainly something you can absolutely use, and if you want to pay the price of $5.19 or $6.29 per skein, certainly it's something to use. But just be mindful if you're going to frog it out. Maybe you want to do some simpler stitches so it's not as painful to frog out. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Again, this is the yarn that came from, and you can see, look at that, the yarn that came from the October 2020 Mary Maxim Crochet Kit Club of the Month. And listen, if you want to see the unboxing of that kit or the finished product, I will put that information on the screen so you can see that and get an idea if the crochet kit is something that you're interested in, if this yarn is something that you would like to work with in the future. All right, that's what I had to share today. Y'all have a fantastic day.